Welcome to Dancing with Tech. Today, we're gonna be talking about some scary news, yes. But first, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, or I'm gonna get you. Now, let's talk about the scary joke for the day. What did Count Chocula say to Fred Flintstone? You don't know. He says, "Where are my chocolate pebbles?" All right, guys, so we'll be talking about some great deals that's going on right now. First, you have the Google Pixel 4a. They have an installment plan with Verizon Wireless. Now, your device payment will be $5 a month. But of course, there's always a catch. You know there's a catch. You had to get the unlimited plan, and after fulfilling Verizon Wireless plan agreement, you will only end up be paying $128 for the 128 gig variant. Great deal if you're looking for a great phone. Also, there's another deal going on right now. The LG G8 ThinQ has a deal going on right now where you can get $450 taken off the original price tag, which leaves it at $500. Now let's talk about some good old tech news. First, we're going to be talking about Insta360. They just launched their new One X2. Keep in mind, this is a pocket camera designed to replace a multi-cam setup to give you an ultra-wide video panoramic and a fresh 360-degree video. Now, this model has some major changes from its predecessor, such as a new 1630 mAh battery that lets you shoot footage for up to 1 hour and 20 minutes, and a new HD touch screen to preview all of your footage, even your 360-degree videos. It's also water resistant up to 33 feet and is jam-packed with 4 microphones. This pocket camera brings better performance, stabilization, and while editing, you can change the focus of a video. This feature was omitted on the last pocket camera. The price is set at $430, and you can purchase it at Adorma and BH. If you are currently a user of the last Insta360, I'm sure you are wondering, will you need all the software to export or transfer your 360 footage? A lot of people felt like the old products was too cumbersome. For you guys who are looking for some video game news, well, here you are. Now, as you know, the official release date for the Xbox Series X is on November 10th, 2020, as well as the PlayStation 5 on November 12th, 2020. Now, alongside, you had a famous holiday, Black Friday. There's a lot of good deals out popping up left and right. You gamers, that will be the best time to sit there and buy a whole bunch of games for your back catalog for some great and awesome prices. Now, Best Buy will be running their Black Friday sales from November 22nd all the way to November 28th. Walmart will be circulating games throughout the month. Now, if you're specifically looking for video games, here's a list of games and prices from Wario64 on Twitter. Now, as you can see, you have Persona 5 Royal, Doom Eternal, Star Wars Squadron. Here goes a big one too, Red Dead Redemption 2, which is a great seller. And you have Spyro Trilogy on the Nintendo Switch. And all these games are for $19.99. And then two of the bigger games, you have Avenger, that just came out. And you have The Last of Us 2 Part 2, which had a lot of controversy and stuff going on. And those are priced at $29.99. Now, with the deep horrors and the scary and terrible moments of this Halloween day, I got some terrible news. Terrible and disappointing news. We're gonna be talking about Samsung. Yes, we are all Samsung fans. Well, I don't know, you might be an Apple fan. But anyways, well, thanks to iPhone 12, they officially announced that they will be doing away with charging blocks. So of course, Samsung must follow the leader. Now it's rumored that the S21, which be coming out next year, will come without a charger. That's no surprise to me. So just sit there and just brace yourself because it already not sending out no headset. Now it's a charger, and their reason is to save money or to help protect the environment, whatever. But it's still not going to go down on these prices. Well, paying $1,000 phone or more these days, and you can't give me a charger, man. Come on, man. Go ahead and chill out with that. Anyways, it's a shame that we will be losing the charging blocks on these expensive flagships. All right, guys, thanks for checking me out today. Don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the little bubble over here. And you want to watch more content and some wonderful videos or some funny videos, click over here on this section on this side. And until next time, I'll see you guys later.